Hi everyone, this is Kim and I am here with a design team project for White Rose Crafts. Thank you for joining me today. What I've been doing is we had this card kit that we were sent this month to use. It's a limited edition card kit which is going to be available in April. I will have the link in the description box below to the store, to the card kit, to the Facebook group, and to the Facebook page. That's what I wanted to tell you. So I really had a lot of fun using this card kit. I don't really do a lot of cards. I've been trying to do more cards, so I'm trying to use um, the kit in a different way. So let me show you my first project that I have come up with. And there were some really cute cut aparts, I guess you could call them. It comes in the paper that comes in the kit is 12 by 12, but you can cut them down to 6 by 6, and they're from Peon Designs, and they're really super beautiful. This is kind of like a shabby chic kit that she has put together. So this is the first project that I came up with. I made this little wall hanging, which I thought as soon as I saw this quote, poem, or however you want to describe it, I knew exactly what I wanted to do, and I wanted to do a little small wall hanging with this one. So what I did was I have a stack of corrugated cardboard that I got from work that we were just gonna throw away, and I was like, hey, I think I could probably use some of that. So I cut a piece at, let's see, 7 by 7, and there was a backing on this side of the corrugated which looked like this. So all I did was I peeled that off around the edges, and then I used some folk art craft paint in like a cream color, just to distress it. I used some of this really shimmery cardstock that's in the store that came in the kit. And it's kind of like a pink color, but I wanted to tone around the edges because the pink was just a little too bright for what I wanted for the background. I wanted more of a cream. So I distressed the edges of that, and then I distressed it with my little Tim Holtz distressing tool just to shabby up the edges. And then I cut this piece out and did the same thing. I distressed all the edges of that. I used some of the flowers that I got in a previous kit, which are actually Recollections flowers. And then I used some bling that I got that was in my stash. I had a couple doily that I just cut the edges of each end of a square doily and tucked them in underneath. One was up between the corrugated card and the cardstock, and then the other was between the paper and then the cardstock. And then I did pop this up on dimensionals. I don't know if you can see. Everything is popped up just to give it a little bit more dimension. And then I had some antique lace that was in my stash, and I just used that as the hanging element for this wall hanging. So, like I said, I wanted to show what you could do besides making cards with this card kit. So this was the first project that I came up with, and I hope you like what I have done. And please stop back and check. I have each week there will be a new project that I will post on Fridays here on my YouTube channel. So please stop back, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.